Dreamstime Stock Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all stock photo platforms are alike, but Dreamstime has carved a niche for both casual and professional creators. Dreamstime offers royalty-free images, videos, and audio for commercial and personal use. One standout feature is its extensive library, over 150 million images and videos covering diverse subjects from business and lifestyle to abstract art. Most people get this wrong. They assume stock images are always expensive. The surprising truth is that Dreamstime offers flexible licensing and subscription plans, making it accessible for freelancers, small businesses, and agencies. Contributors can earn royalties while buyers access affordable, high-quality content. Another advantage is search functionality. Advanced filters allow users to narrow results by orientation, color, size, and licensing type. Dreamstime also offers an easy-use contributor platform, encouraging photographers and videographers to monetize their work. However, there are considerations. Free images are limited, and some content may be less unique than premium options. For high resolution, exclusive images, costs can increase. Always read licensing agreements to ensure proper use. In conclusion, Dreamstime is a versatile stock platform suitable for businesses, marketers, and creatives. It provides quality, variety, and flexible pricing, but users should evaluate licenses carefully for commercial projects. Subscribe for more honest stock content reviews before you buy or sell creative assets.